6 tips and tricks to make your videos stand out. 1. The power of storytelling. Craft narratives that resonate with your audience on an emotional level. A compelling story not only captivates but also builds lasting brand loyalty. 2. Mastering the art of video editing. Utilize editing tools for professional and dynamic videos, incorporating visual elements that align with your brand image. 3. Hook them from the start. A strong introduction is crucial. Grab attention within the first few seconds and clearly communicate the value your video offers. 4. Spark engagement. Use CTAs and interactive elements to encourage participation and foster community. 5. Thumbnails that pop. Create attention-grabbing thumbnails with bold visuals, clear text, and consistent branding. 6. SEO optimization. Incorporate keywords, descriptions, and captions to improve searchability and reach. 92% of consumers want brands to tell stories. By integrating these tips into your video marketing strategy, you'll drive higher engagement, strengthen your brand message, and leave a lasting impression across all digital platforms.